Are you tired of this? Loud sliding chair legs against hardwood floors or ceramic tile or any hard surfaces. Got a quick setup to have that resolved. Very loud. This is what we want. Much quieter. Tools that you're going to need for that. Pair of pliers. Maybe a butter knife if you need it. And I got these surface protector from Amazon. It's a pack of 400 different sizes. So whatever size you guys have for your chair legs, you can find it in there. I'm going to be using the square ones. They also have some for tables as well. And these are 3M tape. And you can get these for about 10 bucks cheaper on Amazon. And again, this is a pack of 400. So it's plenty to go around. And what we're going to be replacing are these little plastic factory floor or surface protectors. These are very loud against the floor. Now in the beginning, I did place the protector over the protector twice, but it came off. So eventually they're gonna flatten out and slide off. As you can see, they slide right off because it's a round surface. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this set up so it can have a much quieter slide. And what you want to do is first is very simple. This is easy. Take your pliers, and if I can get my hand coordination, and just pull these off or loosen them up. I said sometimes you're gonna need. See, they come right off. Now once you got those off, you wipe off any dust or any debris. And you grab your surface protector. Again, I'm using the square one. That goes with the square bottom. And I'm just gonna stick that right on there. Squeeze it down. Now these do not last that long, so you may have to replace them. They do flatten out. So we're gonna pull all these off, and it's gonna resolve the problem that we have with the if I can get these off. These are sometimes they're hard to take off, so you got to take your time with them. As you can see, you got to work them out. And again, you can put it on top, but they're gonna eventually come off. So it's just best to remove them all the way around. Perfect. This chair is it's a weird sized chair. It's not flat at all. But it's not cheap, it's an expensive chair. All right, we got that off. So I'm trying to be careful with it. Okay. And the last one. You get some that come off pretty easy, like that one just did. All right, so we should be all set. All right, I'm gonna flip this chair around. This should work on any chair, basically. All right, so here it is. Much quieter. So there it is. So you can find these at Home Goods. They're a little bit more expensive at Home Goods. They actually come with pots. I think you would only get 2 packs of these. Just go to Amazon and just order them, or eBay. And There's 400 in here for less than 10 bucks, or maybe about 10 bucks. And that should fix your problem. Oh, one more thing. Keep your original floor protectors if you want. I would say keep these, but be careful. They're very sharp on the ends. Just in case you want to put them back on for whatever reason. If you run out of these, just place them back on there. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped.